Welcome back. Today we're checking out the best printer for crafting in 2026 you can buy right now. Whether you're making stickers, Cricut projects, card designs, or small business crafts, these printers deliver vibrant colors, smooth paper handling, and professional quality results. Let's find the perfect one for your creative setup. Starting at number 1. HP SmartTank Plus 651, 71538A. The HP SmartTank Plus 651, 71538A is a wireless all-in-one ink tank printer designed for home and small office use, offering printing, scanning, copying, and faxing in a single compact device. It comes with an ink tank system that is highly efficient and includes up to 2 years of ink in the box, helping to significantly reduce ongoing printing costs. The printer features an automatic document feeder, ADF, for easy multi-page scanning and copying, improving workflow efficiency for everyday tasks. With wireless connectivity and mobile printing support, users can easily print directly from smartphones, tablets, and computers without needing cables. It also supports scan and copy functions for versatile document handling, making it a practical choice for households or small offices that need cost-effective, high-volume color printing with convenient smart features. Number 2. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550 is a wireless wide-format all-in-one color printer designed for high-quality photo printing, scanning, and copying. It uses Epson's SuperTank ink system, which allows for ultra-low-cost printing with refillable ink tanks instead of traditional cartridges, making it ideal for high-volume photo and creative work. This model supports wide-format printing, enabling borderless prints up to large sizes for photos, designs, and creative projects. It includes Ethernet and wireless connectivity for flexible network integration in home or studio setups. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen provides an intuitive interface for easy navigation and control of printing and scanning functions. Overall, the ET8550 is a powerful choice for photographers, designers, and creative users who need professional quality color output with low running costs. Number 3. Canon ImagePrograph TC21M. The Canon ImagePrograph TC21M is a 24-inch large-format multifunction printer designed for producing high-quality posters, technical drawings, and graphics. It supports both roll paper and cut sheet feeding with an automatic roll and cut sheet paper feeder, making it versatile for different printing needs and continuous production. This model is ideal for creating large-format outputs such as posters, CAD drawings, and signage with precision and clarity. It offers multiple connectivity options, including USB, Wi-Fi, and LAN, allowing easy integration into office or studio workflows. Finished in white, the TC21M is built for convenience and productivity, making it a strong choice for architects, engineers, designers, and print service environments that require reliable large-format printing. Number 4. M1630 Pro A3 DTF Printer. The M1630 Pro A3 DTF printer bundle with mobile station is an all-in-one direct-to-film, DTF, printing system designed for efficient custom apparel production, especially t-shirt printing. It features an automatic maintenance system that helps reduce manual cleaning and upkeep, improving reliability and uptime for continuous operation. The bundle includes a high-efficiency touchscreen control panel for easy operation and workflow management, along with a dryer and shaker unit to complete the printing process in a streamlined setup. Its space-saving design makes it suitable for small workshops or print businesses where efficiency and compact equipment layout are important. Overall, the M1630 Pro is built for high-performance garment printing, enabling fast production of vibrant, durable designs on fabric with a simplified and integrated workflow. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 9730. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 C2WH0A is a wide-format wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer designed for office productivity, offering printing, scanning, copying, and faxing in a single device. It supports wide-format printing up to 11 by 17 inches, making it suitable for spreadsheets, presentations, posters, and other large documents. The printer includes an automatic document feeder, ADF, and supports duplex printing and scanning, helping improve efficiency while saving time and paper. With wireless connectivity, users can easily print from computers and mobile devices without cables, and it is optimized for office environments that require flexible, high-quality color output. It also comes with a 3-month trial of HP Instant Ink, providing convenient ink delivery and cost management. Overall, it is a strong choice for small to medium offices that need reliable wide-format multifunction printing with smart connectivity features. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the video description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing crafting and tech content. Thanks for watching.